During the topic Animals, Pets and Wild, Foundation pupils took part in a sequence of creative activities that supported progress across the EYFS. Under the guidance of Miss Sam and the wonderful Foundation Stage team, the children explored a range of hands-on tasks that helped build key early learning skills. While making animal paper plates, Pete the Cat handprints and spiral artworks, the children showed growing control and confidence in using tools and materials, strengthening their fine motor skills. They listened attentively to animal stories and were introduced to new vocabulary to describe animal features, patterns and colours. These activities encouraged independence and cooperation as pupils made choices about their designs, shared resources and supported their friends. The creative process also strengthened early literacy skills as children recalled story events and talked about characters, while mathematical thinking developed through exploring shapes and patterns in their artwork. As they learned about different animals and natural forms, such as spirals found in shells and tails, the children deepened their understanding of the world around them. In Nursery, led lovingly by Mr. Asa and Miss Claire, the children engaged in activities that supported their early learning through the animal topic and World Nursery Rhyme Week. They enjoyed listening to rhymes and took part in enthusiastic singing sessions, including familiar favourites such as Bar Bar Black Sheep. The children also completed a paired matching activity while encouraging early problem solving and visual discrimination. As they talked about the animals, described their features and explained their choices, they developed important language and communication skills. These activities also promoted independence, turn-taking and a love of shared learning experiences. Throughout the week, the nursery children demonstrated curiosity, imagination and a growing appreciation for rhymes, songs and stories, something their teachers were incredibly proud to see. In reception, with the support and enthusiasm of Miss Melissa and Miss Emma, the children explored storytelling, creativity and early art skills through activities inspired by the Gruffalo and our wider animal learning. They created their own Gruffalos out of plasticine, carefully shaping prickles, tusks and claws. This helped develop fine motor strength, tool control and the ability to represent characters through model making. They also enjoyed imaginative mini-scene play using small settings and figures to retell parts of the story, sequence events and use expressive language. The children produced drawings of Gruffalo characters, looking closely at details and exploring how to represent expressions, shapes and textures. This supported their observational skills and encouraged rich conversation about the story and its characters. In addition to their Gruffalo work, reception pupils created paintings of animals such as zebras and giraffes, experimenting with patterns, colours and different brush techniques. Throughout these activities, the children strengthened early literacy skills by connecting artwork to storytelling, developed confidence in expressing their own ideas and deepened their understanding of animals and their features. Their creativity, imagination and growing artistic independence have been evident throughout the term, and the reception teachers are delighted with the progress each child has made. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more of our topic work throughout the year. We are so excited to see our preschool pupils continue to grow, explore and amaze us with their creativity and curiosity.